Our top 5 best brushes for gouache. One number product. Transon round detailed brushes. Made of natural goat hair mixed with nylon, these Transon paint brushes for gouache produce smooth and even layers while maintaining their shape, thus allowing for detailed work. The 8-piece round brush set includes different sizes ranging from 0 to 7. It covers all basic techniques, including washes, layering, and thicker lines. Due to its double crimped ferrules, these brushes won't shed and yet are soft and workable. Although some customers have noted that they are a bit too stiff, making them wet as well as cleaning helps loosen them up. 2 number product. Princeton Neptune brushes. Including a nice assortment of synthetic squirrel bristle paint brushes, these Princeton brushes for gouache are excellent for professionals. The 4-piece set contains a broad flat brush for washes and 3 round artist brushes for gouache applications. This Neptune series holds the same amount of water as a natural squirrel brush, thus allowing for more color control. For best results, it's essential to take proper care of every brush, including rinsing them well and using a cleaner and preserver such as the Master's Brush Cleaner. 3 number product. Artisan Professional Brush Set. This professional-grade gouache paint brush set comes with a helpful bag with individual pockets and a plastic cover that protects the brush's bristles while keeping each of its 15 brushes organized. The set includes 4 hog bristles and 11 nylon brushes that are perfect for acrylic gouache because they don't absorb too much paint. It also goes on surfaces smoothly. Plus, it offers an excellent range of sizes and shapes, from flat, round, fanned, and angled for most gouache techniques. 4 number product. Artecho brushes for gouache. Besides a set of 15 gouache paint brushes that includes a wide assortment of shapes, from riggers, angled, flat, and fan brushes, it also comes with a sponge and a palette knife. These brushes are therefore perfect for beginners. Each brush is soft and can hold a moderate amount of water. It also creates a creamy and buttery application. The convenient canvas carrying case is ideal for outdoor painting. It even stands up when fully opened by using the fastener located on the back of the case. 5 number product. My Artscape Calligraphy brushes. Each of the 12 pieces of this My Artscape brush set has a fine point. Its purpose is to provide exquisite painting detail using its professional-grade artificial Korean hair. These thin brushes are ideal for gouache paint and for calligraphy thanks to its corrosion-resistant ferrules and attractive birchwood handles. The synthetic bristles are very reactive and do not fray. It is also impervious to most external abrasions. Many customers noted that these offer excellent quality and value for money. Thanks for watching this video.